Hello and welcome to the Apple Classroom Open and Navigate Student iPad tutorial. First, let's begin by locating and tapping on your Apple Classroom app. The first menu that you'll see will show all available assigned classrooms through Aspen, as well as those classrooms you have created for your own small group purposes. For this demonstration, I'm going to begin right here with my grade pre-K to 12 Apple Classroom demo class. Once tapping on it, you can see the two icons at the top that we will be focusing on today. The first on the left-hand side is the Open icon, and on the right, the Navigate. Let's begin with the Open icon first. When you tap it, you will see all available apps that you have in common with your grade level student app. Any of these can be tapped on to direct your student iPads to open that particular app. You also have the option as the teacher to lock the student iPads into that app once they're opened. Let's tap on iMovie. Once iMovie is opened on student iPads, you will see a menu confirming this. Back on your Apple Classroom main menu, you can see a thumbnail version of your student's screen. Here, iMovie is open and locked on the BPS student. Next, going back up to our top menu, the Navigate icon. This will allow you to navigate student iPads to a particular website that you have chosen. Here, from my list of options, I'm going to tap on Safari, and you can also notice you can lock the student iPad into this screen as well once opened. Here, I'm going to tap on Favorites, and here I'm going to tap on Burlington Public Schools. This website I had already marked as a favorite before beginning the demonstration. Once again, you will see a confirmation menu confirming that student iPads are open to that website. Here, we can see the thumbnail version of the student's screen. Once again, at the top of the screen, you can see the two icons that allow you to either open or navigate your entire class of students to a particular website or app. Also, you have the option of tapping on an individual student and either opening or navigating their iPad as an individual. Just to review, the Open and Navigate icons here at the top of the whole class screen, and the same icons here for an individual student. Thank you.